Hey guys, I'm Steve Marino, owner of 12 Bravo Construction and Comfort Specialist. Today, I'm going to show you a quick little trick to help reduce dust in your house. I got 2 kids, 2 dogs, a wife, and we have dust all the time. So, first you want to make sure that you put it in. I don't know if you can see that, but you want to make sure it tells you the airflow on these filters. You never want to go with the fiberglass green ones that you can see right through. You always want to use the ones that are pleated. This is what they call pleated, where it's got the ripples in it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to change my nasty air filter. So as an AC guy, you can see that I got 2 returns, and we're not going to film that part of it because ours is just gross. Alright, so again, as you can see, I got dust around the lip of my air conditioner here, or my return air. And basically it's because, you know, when we forget to change our air filters, air is going to follow the path of least resistance. So if it can go around the air filter without going through the air filter, it will. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little trick. And I just got done wiping and vacuuming it out. I had to stop so that way I could vacuum it out. But what we'll do is make sure it's facing the right way. And we're going to put this in there. Now you can see here, that you got these gaps, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the tape here and so what we'll do is we're going to start just tape it. Right? Now, I got duct tape. You can use the regular blue painter's tape. That's actually what I would recommend, so that way you're not spending a whole lot of money. I just buy it in bulk because we do a lot of AC work, so I have it on hand as it is. So basically what you're doing is you're sealing off the gaps. And also here, if you caulk along the edge of the thing here, that will help keep air from coming in through the cracks. So I had an old-time AC guy show me this. Been doing it for 20 years, and I've been sitting here playing around, and he said, all you need is tape. And I was sitting here with rubber gaskets and trying to make weather stripping and stuff.